If you're searching for the best catalytic converter cleaners in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 catalytic converter cleaners that can help restore performance, reduce harmful emissions, and extend your engine's life. We considered effectiveness, ease of use, manufacturer reputation, and real customer feedback. All the product links are in the description below. Let's dive into the list. Number 1. Chevron's Techron. Concentrate Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron has long been trusted in fuel system care, and their Techron Concentrate Plus proves why. This concentrated formula helps clean your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, areas that directly affect your catalytic converter's performance. It reduces issues like rough idle, hesitation, and engine surge, while also improving cold start performance and stabilizing fuel for up to 1 year. If your car feels sluggish or you're worried about long-term fuel system health, Chevron Techron is a strong pick. Number 2. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula. As the name suggests, CRC designed this formula to help vehicles pass emissions tests by reducing carbon buildup and lowering harmful exhaust emissions. It uses a powerful detergent to dissolve sludge and residue inside your fuel system, improving fuel economy and restoring lost power. The best part? It's safe for all gasoline engines, whether you drive a car, truck, SUV, or hybrid. If you've got an upcoming smog test, CRC Guaranteed to Pass is one of the most reliable pre-check solutions. Number 3. Motor Power Care. Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit. Unlike traditional fuel additives, this spray-based cleaning kit is designed specifically for catalytic converters. You don't need to remove or replace the part. Simply apply the cleaner. And it works to remove deposits and restore converter efficiency. It's one of the most effective and inexpensive ways to fix common error codes like Piezo 420 and Piezo 430, provided the catalyst isn't physically damaged. If you're looking for a direct catalytic converter cleaner, Motor Power Care's kit is a smart option. Number 4. Stay-A-Bill Fuel, Stabilizer and Fuel System Cleaner. Stay-A-Bill is well known for fuel stabilizers, and their 360 degrees protection cleaner doubles as a fuel system cleaner. It removes water, gum, and varnish from the fuel system while protecting against rust and corrosion, key factors in extending catalytic converter life. This formula also boosts fuel economy and engine performance, making it perfect for vehicles that sit unused for long periods, like collector cars or seasonal equipment. It's a great year-round protection solution for your entire fuel system. Number 5. Optional correction, not Lexion. It looks like one item in the list you provided, the Lexion Bluetooth headset, doesn't actually belong to catalytic converter cleaners. If you'd like, I can replace it with a popular 5th option that really fits this category, such as Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean is one of the most widely recognized solutions for reducing carbon deposits in the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, and entire exhaust system. It's trusted worldwide and often recommended before inspection tests. If you'd like, I can adjust the script to use this instead of the headset. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 catalytic converter cleaners for 2025. Each of these products is designed to restore performance, reduce emissions, and help keep your catalytic converter running longer. All the product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.